Okay, so we've got some Chinese duck on the go today. Duck breast, cooked really beautifully and easy. Lovely with some white rice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got here 3 average size duck breasts. Now you may know that duck is very fatty. If I flip them over, you can see the meat's in there. There's quite a lot of fat on there on the skin. What we're going to do is we're going to fairly heavily salt the skin side only, and then we're going to go to the cooker. So give it a nice sprinkle, give it a little pat down, and then it's cooker time. So you're going to need a wok, a skillet, a pan. No oil in there, don't put any oil in or anything. That's on above medium heat, and skin side down with the salt. Place in the duck breast. Medium heat, let it go for about 6 or 7 minutes. I'm not going to flip it just yet. So you can see that we've now got fat rendered out of the duck. Let's take a look, see, look. That's beautiful. Right, now we can flip it. I'm going to turn it over. And for these size, I'm going to go for about another 6 minutes or so, and I'm going to be flipping it a few times. Then it should be ready for me. Okay, off goes the heat. Been flipping that around a little bit, a few times, and that's beautiful. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set that aside and let it just rest on a plate for just 5 minutes. So that's been sitting there for 5 minutes, and the reason I've done that is just to cool it down because I'm about to handle it and slice it. But also, like when you cook a steak, we've got some lovely moisture out of it. It's just sort of run through. Now don't throw that moisture away, we're going to keep it in there. Now when you cut the duck now, it may be quite pink inside. So I've sliced that nice and thick, like a, couple of fingers thick, I think. And as you can see, it's fairly pink. I mean, I'm happy like that. I'll eat it like that. But we are now going to cook it again in the pan. So yeah, cook it just how you like you're cooking a steak or something. But yeah, for me, that pinkness is actually okay. Okay, so next step. What I've got there is some oil. I'm using a sesame oil, which is a really nice, nutty, beautiful flavor. I've got a couple of tablespoons in there, which I'm heating up. I've got here about a tablespoon of garlic. Just going to drop that in. And then we're going to get our duck and all the juices straight in. And on an above medium heat, I'm going to go for about 4 minutes, stirring all the time. Okay, fantastic. I'm going to add some black pepper, but I'm not going to add any salt because we're going to add half a cup of soy sauce now, which is salty. I'm using a light one, you could use dark if you want. And half a cup of oyster sauce, which again is quite salty. Stay on this vigorous heat just for about another 2 minutes. This is ready to serve. Job done, absolutely delicious. I think that is beautiful, with some white rice. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.